Namaste, beautiful soul. Welcome to day number 5 of these 7 days meditating together. I'm very happy that you're here with me today. The meditation today is dedicated to release tension from the body and tension from the mind. So this meditation is going to be a little different because we're going to start moving just for a minute to release the tension. So if you are in your comfortable place, we're going to start. We're going to begin. But please don't forget to give a like to this video and to subscribe to my channel to keep enjoying all the videos that I will share with you. So if you are in your spot, let's start having your hands resting on your lap. And we are going to start moving the head side to side very slowly. We're going to bring one ear towards the shoulder, opening the side of your neck. And then slowly inhale and you come back to center. As you exhale, you go to the other side. Inhale back to center and exhale. Inhale and do the other side again. Exhale. And back to center. Now you're going to move your shoulders 3 times, moving your shoulders back, and 3 times moving your shoulders forward, drawing circles with your shoulders. So we start now. 3 times, connecting with your breathing. And now we change the direction, moving forward. Excellent. And now we're going to stretch the side of the body. Bringing one hand down to the earth or to the bolster. We inhale, bring the arm up. And exhale, we stretch one side. Inhale, touch the sky. And exhale, bring the hand down to the earth. Let's do the other side. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Wonderful. So now we release some tension. If you love these movements and you want to repeat the movements, you can pause the video and do them again. And if not, if you're ready, you're gonna choose the position of your hands. You're gonna close your eyes and we're gonna start with the guided meditation. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. And then exhale everything out through your mouth. Allow that ha sound in the back of your throat. Welcome to day number 5. And this meditation is dedicated to release tension. So now you are in your sacred place for meditation. That place is any place that you decide to be your sacred place. We already released some tension from the body by doing some stretches, and now we're going to release tension in the mind. But first we start releasing tension on our forehead. So please relax the area in between your eyebrows. Relax your eyes, your eyelashes, your nose, your cheeks. Relax your jaw and relax the tongue of the roof of your mouth. And we're gonna start using the breath to release that tension. So we take a deep breath in and we feel that new air coming in. It's like a cleansing breath. You're inhaling clean air, new energy. And use the exhale to release tension, to release thoughts, to release worriness, to release feelings that you don't want anymore. And you're gonna do it one thing at a time. So you're going to inhale, and when you exhale deeply, you send out all the things that don't serve your purpose anymore. So you're inhaling through the nose. You can even exhale through the mouth, so you feel it more deeply. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. So when you open your mouth, it's like you're allowing more air to come out, and all those thoughts and feelings and worriness that you don't need anymore, you let it out in each breath. When you inhale and the lungs expand, your spine is lengthening, so you can open the chest to receive that new air, to receive that clean energy. And then you exhale everything out, and you might even feel that you're exhaling through your skin, through every pore in your body. Your whole body is exhaling that breath, and your whole body is inhaling the new air, the new energy, the new feelings. So you're breathing in and breathing out. And I know for a little bit we are thinking, but we're just connecting with all those things that we need to release. And you feel after each breath how your own energy starts shifting. By the amazing power of your own breath. Inhale through your nose, new and clean air and energy. Exhale through your nose or through your mouth or through your whole body the things that you don't need anymore in yourself. I want you to connect deeply with your next inhale and see, where do you feel that inhale? How are you inhaling? Are you inhaling through your nose? Are you inhaling through your chest, through your heart? Or maybe you feel that you're inhaling through your belly. So please bring one hand to that part of your body that you feel that you're inhaling the air from. So now you have your hand touching that part of your body where you feel that inhale coming in. Bring a smile to your face and feel peace in your heart, because now you know that you have the power to release, to let things go. And it is simpler than you thought before. And now only focus on your breathing. And when you have a thought come into your mind, just allow that thought to continue its journey, but don't get attached to the thought and do not analyze it. Bring the attention back to the breath. For the next 1 or 2 minutes, we're gonna be only breathing and trying to quiet the mind. Now take the deepest inhale of your day so far. And exhale and release, let go anything that was left. Just empty yourself. Bring both hands to your heart. Feel your heart expanding. Your mind is more clear now. Your soul is lighter. And your heart is happier. Bring a smile to your face. I am Pau, and I am very, very proud of you. Thank you for sharing this day number 5 with me. If you liked this meditation, you can do it again. You can repeat it any other day. And I see you tomorrow in your sacred space for meditation. We're going to detoxify the mind in our meditation tomorrow. So I see you again. Namaste.